In this video, guys, we are driving up the Grimsel Pass, Furka Pass, and we are using my new video gear, so have fun. So guys, we are filling up the Evo before the mountain. The mountain is going to start right there. Just fill the Evo up. I don't even know, I think it's this one. 14 liters. We are driving up now. It's still pretty dark, but that's exactly what I wanted. I want to be on the morning. So guys, I just bumped up the ISO. I don't know how good it is right now, but like the views, that's just insane. Like you can see the whole street down there. I hope it's not too dark. I'm gonna try to take some pictures. It's a little bit too dark for taking pictures, but yeah, we are going to try to take some pictures, and if they're good, I'm gonna blend them in. So yeah, we left the hospice. We are driving Grimsel up and then to the Furka. Guys, that's insane, like holy shit, I love it. So guys, we just finished filming with the Tenet. I put the 360 camera on the car now and the mics to record some ASMR clips. So there's no voice cover probably anymore now. And yeah, enjoy guys. So we just arrived the top of the Grimsel with the lake, or however you call that, honestly. The views, guys, like goddamn, holy shit. So guys, I'm trying to take some pictures. Right here. Holy shit, dude. That was a tight corner there, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, make sure to subscribe, like and comment the video, and share it with your friends, please, to support me and the Evo so I can do better content for you guys in the future. I forgot to film an outro. As you can see, I finished with the video. I want to upload it now. And thank you so much for the support, guys, and see you in the next one.